Hi, everyone. Today I'm sitting down with Imad. He's the owner of Licensed Structural Engineers. He's a licensed engineer in multiple states and the founder of a new platform called QuiPlans. Imad, can you explain to us what an ADU is? Because I know some of our listeners probably have never heard of the term.
An ADU is probably the easiest way and probably the lowest, pretty low risk and almost self-funded. So people can literally do this at zero net out of pocket within a few years. And there are funding ways to basically get it funded almost at no personal cash involved to add 100,000 net worth to your basically wealth. People get lost in the permitting process. They don't even know where to start. And these ADU projects are supposed to be the easiest, simplest construction project because they're relatively small. You don't even have a whole lot of space to customize it. And QuiPlan comes from a company and a group of engineers and architects and design professionals that have done thousands of projects in several US states and jurisdictions. So really, QuiPlans isn't just somebody decided to start selling plans and maybe had some limited background, but it is really coming from a background of having started and having helped on project from zero all the way to completion of projects, including hundreds of permits obtained in basically hundreds of jurisdictions. So QuiPlan offers what I don't believe anybody else is offering for a relatively even lower cost than what it typically costs to hire a professional, offers guaranteed permit packages. It offers a variety of specialized ADU plans, and it also offers easier, more affordable options, including permit-ready plans that lets people obtain and do their own permit. And it also offers something that is very unique. It's an engineer-reviewed feasibility study that allows a homeowner basically have a lot of confidence in what their opportunity and what their limitations are for just spending a few $100